It's beautiful. It's been windy the past few days. I've been wondering when it's going to rain. Today it is. I hadn't been out to Lake Mary in the rain like this yet. How many times have I driven in this type of weather? Through Snohomish County and Skagit County. How many times have I sat at various parks listening to the pitter-patter of this type of rain, seeing the streaks of blue poke through the clouds. The dirt here is a lot redder. It's a nice change. Certainly adds to the greenery. I wouldn't call those fond memories. It was as beautiful as it could be. It was what I could get. And yet still here I sit alone in it,